Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 12th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. Actually got two trades for you during this next session that I'd like you to take a look at. We have an inside bar that was created, had three of the four majors create an inside bar during this last session. You can see here it has a lower high than the bar before it and a higher low than the bar before that. We are looking for a breakout of that to the upside around the 79.61 mark, looking for it to take out this previous session's low right here. Looking to grab just a quick 14 pip or so trade, 15 pips, looking to the upside, exiting around 79.74. So very quick, use a risk reward of 1-to-1 on that one. Now in the Euro USD, let's back out a little bit. Euro USD, we have a short. We created an inside bar as well. So we have a short, but if you notice, we had a very strong bar, so we had somewhat of a windows trade, looking for it to come down to this previous area of resistance that is now support. If we zoom back in to take a look at this actual trade, what the numbers look like, we're looking for a short around the 126.89 mark, looking for it to come down about 37 pips down to 126.50, and at that point should hit some level of support. And we're out of the trade. So looking for a quick little trade there. Use a risk to reward of 1-to-1 on this one. So if we have, if we're looking to grab 37 pips or so to the downside, then we will look to put a stop loss somewhere around the 127.25 mark, using a risk to reward of 1-to-1. Now let's talk about the overall ranges for this next session that we're looking at. In the US-Japanese yen pair, we are looking for it to potentially go as high as 79.78, possibly down to 79.10. Look for some resistance around 79.75 and look for some support around 79.25. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed down just by a little bit. We are looking for it to potentially go as high on a reversal up to some resistance around the 127.90 mark. Look for some support around 126.75 to the downside. Now the pound US dollar pair closed lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high though as 159.62, possibly as low as 158.18. Look for some resistance around 159.25 and look for some support around 158.50. Now the US Swiss, it created an inside bar as well, closed down just by a hair. I do believe this upward trend is going to continue, possibly up to 0.9532, possibly down to 0.9429. Look for some resistance on the way up at 12500 and look for some support to the downside around 0.9425. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.